Greetings, welcome back, M0YKS in the shack. Got a birthday present here. It was my birthday the other day, so managed to put some money to one side, which I've received off everybody, so thanks family. And I've treated myself to a sound DSP sound eliminating speaker. It's a BHI DSP speaker. So this should take out any unwanted noise, clean up the audio, and I'm going to be using it on my FT1000. I've been using the original speaker, which is just up there. That's the Yaesu SP, I think it's a 130, I can't quite remember. It's the old original Yaesu speaker, works really well, but obviously that's reliant on the old analog filtering system. So it does have an effect, removes unwanted noises. But this bad boy, this should be really good. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. But before I do that, I'm going to have to eat this cake. So I'm just going to eat the cake and then we'll have a quick look in the box and we'll see what this new speaker is all about. We'll give it a try, a testing, and hopefully it's as good as it sounds, or should be. Well, that was delicious. So yeah, I picked up this this particular speaker from Radio World. So Radio World's a supplier. The main reason for that is the price. They were the most competitive out of all the United Kingdom radio suppliers. So did a bit of shopping around obviously, and that was the best offer. They also had a decent discount code which was online. So that was the reason why I chose that particular company. Bought a few things from them in the past, always good service, very fast delivery. So I only ordered it 2 days ago, and now we've got the speaker. So it's come well packed, obviously. Plenty of packing in this box. It's a decent proper box with like air corridors in between the cardboard. So hopefully it will have arrived in good order. So it's contained within another box. So made in the United Kingdom. It is a UK product. I did read the reviews before purchasing it, and I do know someone who's got one, and he made a video, Steve, and it looked pretty good, so thought I'd try it out for myself. Didn't really know what else to get, and this is something that I've been considering for a while, so reasonable bit of weight, and yeah, that's it. That's the packaging. So made in the United Kingdom. So I've just got to open this up now, and we shall see. Should imagine there'll be a bit of polystyrene, keeping it in good order. So yeah, hope everybody's doing well out there. So inside the box now we've got the typical bubble wrap with looks like a user manual or a set of instructions at least, and the speaker is contained below that. So there's the manual, quite a bit of information and other products provided by BHI, which is a highly recommended manufacturer of sound cancelling and eliminating products. I know they do audio in and audio out, probably other stuff as well, so no expert on that. So here's a unit, quite a substantial unit, and it comes with a power cable. That's not the power cable, that's the AF cable, the audio out cable, or audio in. It looks like there's a couple of cables there, so different plugs and connections. I'll have to check that out in a minute properly. And then we've got the power cable, so there's 2 cables in the box, and that's it. So that's what's in there. And then here we have the actual speaker, which is obviously wrapped in some more bubble wrap, keeping it in good condition. So just going to carefully find out which end is this end here, open up the bag, and we'll see what the speaker looks like. So nice looking object so far. Yeah, like the look of that. So I knew it'd look impressive, because it comes with a really nice bracket. So there we've got the speaker, and as you can see, nice quality product, decent size, so it can be positioned whichever way you like. You can actually see the speakers inside, so there is a tweeter type of speaker and a subwoofer, so it should be a good sounding quality audio anyway without the filter system. On the back we've got the connections, So these are your typical connections. You can just have a proper look at that. And then we've got, there is a filter control which is on the top. So on the top we've got the controls there which are visible. Probably better if I put them that way up. So that's what we've got. We've got the various controls which we can use, and the headphone out, and we've got the filter control and the volume. So this is a amplified speaker. I like the bracket, that's pretty substantial, so that can be fixed in a position of choice, however you like it. So yeah, pretty good so far. So let's get it wired up and we'll come back and see what it actually sounds like. Okay, I've decided to just try it out first on my 817 and this Miracle Whip antenna, which you can see is just going up to there, so nothing fancy. I thought this would be a better test to check out whether or not it could drown out any noise. So let's power it up. So that's what it looks like when you switch it on. It's got a nice red LED. So I've just set the volume, the typical volume on the radio. So we're picking up a station quite well. So that's without any filters. I'm just going to bring a filter in, press this button. So there's a noticeable change in noise level. So that's quite noticeable. We can obviously eliminate that noise completely. So there's no signal there. That's just slightly overdoing it with the filter. Back it down. So yeah, quite effective.
November 2, Lima Delta Victoria, 59 plus. Thank you very much, good luck, you are set.
So yeah, initial tests. Quite successful, so I'm going to try it on my main radio now. Right, so now we've got it connected to the FT1000 and half decent antenna system.
Roger, roger, thank you very much for 59 in Florida. You're also 59 plus in the west part of Serbia. 73 to you and see again, my friend. 73 QRZDX. 2 Echo 0 again.
So that's the filter on.
2 Echo 0, Foxtrot Quebec Alpha 59. Roger, Louis, thank you very much for call. 73 to you and good luck. QRZDX, QRZDX, outside of Europe, please. Yankee Uniform 3, Delta Kilo Oscar. Kilo Delta, Kilo Delta, Kilo Delta station again.
Kilo Delta 9, Delta Lima Echo, Minnesota. You were 59, sir.
Roger, roger. Thank you for 59 in Minnesota. Kilo Delta 9, Delta Lima Echo. You are 59, 59 plus in Serbia. Kilo Delta 9, Delta Lima Echo. You are 59 plus in west part of Serbia, over.
I copy you 59 plus. You were 59 also. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you very much for call. 73 to you, my friend.
So yeah, big difference there. I'm just going to go try a noisier band now, and let's put on 80 meters and just see how the filter works on 80.
Hopefully you'll get
you'll get sorted out. But,
So to draw the filter back down,
that's what happened the other day when we spoke.
and then bring it in.
High, so you didn't stay on. You're probably not moving.
I'll have it off after the left, cars right to the hole. So that's good.
So that's quite good, that, definitely.
Ja sam pisao odmah, kaže ti malo zapravi maj da dođem kući, onda se pridružim pečenju, a i bit će dosta pečenja, znaš kako mi to pripremimo, jel? Jer ima onaj tradicionalni vašan.
So yeah, big difference. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the filtering. Definitely sounds good. And obviously the looks of the thing is very pleasing as well, the aesthetics. So yeah, practically good review on this one. The only negative I've got to say is the fuse holder was damaged, so I had to put a bit of insulation tape around the fuse holder, but that's it. So that's nothing. So yeah, pretty pleased with the DSP performance, and seems to be working well. So that's with it off. There's no deterioration to the audio when you put it on. I heard him quite well there, the Kilo United 2 November Echo, I think it was. So yeah, Kilo Alpha 2 coming through beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to have quite a bit of fun with this new accessory, and very pleased indeed so far. So I'm going to give it good review, and recommend anybody who's got a bit of noise coming to their shack. As you can see, it certainly gets rid of the noise and still maintains a nice quality sound of audio. So hopefully you've enjoyed this, got something out of it. I've certainly enjoyed getting it, and I'm going to set it up properly now. This is just a temporary install just to demonstrate it. I'm going to mount it with the mounting brackets, or possibly just have it sat on top of my spare amplifier under there. So catch you later, and hopefully working on the bands. You should sound good at my end from M0YKS. Bye for now.